Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare potassium chromate indicator. First, ensure you have all necessary laboratory equipment and chemicals ready. You will need potassium chromate powder, distilled water, a volumetric flask, and a balance. Accuracy in measurements is crucial for the indicator to function correctly in your experiments. This simple preparation ensures reliable results for your titrations. To begin, carefully weigh out 0 grams of potassium chromate powder. It's important to use an analytical balance to ensure this measurement is as precise as possible. Once weighed, gently transfer all the powder into a clean, dry 100 milliliter volumetric flask. Make sure no powder is left behind on the weighing paper or in the beaker. Next, add approximately 50 milliliters of distilled water to the volumetric flask containing the potassium chromate. Swirl the flask gently but thoroughly to ensure the powder dissolves completely, forming a clear yellow solution. Once dissolved, carefully add more distilled water until the solution reaches the 100 milliliter calibration mark on the flask. Ensure the meniscus is at the line. Finally, stopper the volumetric flask and invert it several times to ensure the solution is uniformly mixed. Transfer your freshly prepared 5% potassium chromate indicator into a clean, dark, and clearly labeled bottle to protect it from light degradation. This indicator is now ready for use in your titrations. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.